Good evening, everybody. I'm up here at the pond with Dog, and I know Joe has showed you guys a little bit, so I'm going to show you some and just let you see. And I'd say probably by this time next week, even with the rain, it'll probably fall down the rest of the way. But here is the pond. There's the stick that we went by. I'm going to try and think when he showed it to you, it was like a foot below it. Now it's like 7 foot, 5 foot, between 5 and 7 foot there. So this is going to give us an opportunity to clean it. And we don't see where there's still not no, little swirls or bubbles or anything like that. So, yeah. It's so quiet up here. Dog over there trying to sneak down there. And that garbage can there has got holes drilled in it, like it's been a filter or something for a drain. I don't know, but probably when it starts freezing, we might be able to get down in there. I'd say that's real soft, super soft. And we'll clean it out and I think we're going to put tarp or something back in, not a tarp, but a liner in there. But you can see where it was up to. That's probably 10, maybe 12 foot there at least. I'd say we got another 2 or 3 foot in there at least, maybe even 4. We've never dealt with anything like this, so Joe's been doing some research. So have I. And it's got a good bottom in it. This place isn't nothing but clay. So this will give us an opportunity to get it fixed up. And there's much worse things out there happening, so this right here is nothing. Actually, I thought it would be dirtier than this. That water's been in that hole there for about 5 days or so. This is all clay. So you can see it's losing about 1 foot of water a day. And you can see over there on the ridges. We'll keep you posted on it. Let's go see where Dog's at. He's right there waiting on us. A lot's getting ready to happen here. We got a guy coming in that's going to do a little bit of logging, not a whole lot, but a little bit. And so I've quit everything down here. I've stopped everything. And one of the deals is he's going to come in and move some dirt for us. Ain't that right, dog? Chewy? Ain't that right? Yep. Let's go. Wait. So what they're going to do is they're going to come down here and take all this out. Probably about another 10-15 foot back. And they're going to bring it over this way 10 foot, about 10 foot before you get to the little stream over there. And then push it up towards the pond there. That'll help support that too. So the rocks that I was working on, I'm knowing this is going to be happening for a while now. So the rocks that I was working on, I'm going to be taking out this week. So I don't know if he's going to go from this level or that level down there. Either one's good. Be very appreciative. Very thankful. We'll be taking all those steps out. We'll find something to do with them. Nice rocks. I love rocks. So we will keep you posted and updated on the pond. And we will see what happens and maybe have a whole different look here. Alright, everybody. Thank you for joining us, and like and share, and God bless. That beautiful.